You know, here he comes.
So, I'm really excited for this weekend. You ready to have me walk you home?
What was that?
What was what?
That?
You mean me talking to my friends?
You ignoring me while you babble with your buddies when I'm standing down here ready to go with someone I thought was my boyfriend.
This is a tough one. It's called a no-win situation, and most guys have been there.
And at this point, the guy needs to just admit he's wrong before the girl is...
I'm gone.
Wait, I thought that you wanted me to walk you home. I walk you home every day. You told me that I protect you.
Well, now my American Defender pepper spray will just have to be my protection. Call me when you get a clue. And you better not write on anyone's wall over the weekend, because I'll be watching.